Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Tinder app and at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile to access your account settings. This will take you to your personal Tinder profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is the universal symbol for settings. Tap on this gear icon to open your account settings menu. This is where you can adjust everything from your preferences to your account details. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the available options. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled App Settings. This section contains all the technical and account-related settings for your Tinder profile, including your contact information. Within the App Settings section, look for an option that says Email and tap on it. This will open up your email configuration page where Tinder stores your current email address. This is the email address that Tinder uses to send you important notifications, security alerts, and account recovery information. On this page, you can now see your current email address displayed. Simply tap on it to activate the text field and make it editable. Once it's active, you can delete your old email address and type in your new one. Make sure to enter your new email address carefully to avoid any typos, as this is crucial for account access. After you've entered your new email address, you'll see a button that says Send Verification Email. Go ahead and tap this button. This step is important because Tinder needs to verify that you actually own the new email address before making the change permanent. This security measure helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Now exit the Tinder app and open your email inbox on whichever email app or browser you use. Look for a new email from Tinder in your inbox. It should arrive within a few moments, so if you don't see it right away, give it a minute and refresh your inbox. You might also want to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you've located the verification email from Tinder, open it and read through the message. Inside this email, you'll find a button or link that says Verify Now. Click on this button to confirm that you want to change your email address. This action tells Tinder that you have access to the new email and authorizes the change. And that's it. Your email address on Tinder has been successfully updated. The app will now use your new email for all future communications and account recovery purposes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.